Guys, I've got some skid plates to put on my Arrma big rock. This truck's got a lot of scrapes on the top, so these skid plates should help with that. I've got one for the front of the hood that goes on just like that, and then two for the top that'll go on like that. And these pieces, which will go on the inside of the body underneath these ones. Right about there. Let's go ahead and put them on. So to put them on, I'm gonna need to drill holes right there and then put a screw in. So I need to mark the spots where the holes will be. I'm gonna take a Sharpie, put that in right there. So I'm gonna have to drill on those marks. But first, let's make the other ones. All right, I have them marked and I put it in pencil so you can see it a little bit better. Alright, the holes are drilled and now I need to put the skid plates on. Alright guys, I got the skid plates on the body. I gotta say, it looks pretty good. There it is on the top, there it is on the inside, and there it is in the front. So let's take it out and drive it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't really give the skid plates much of a test, but driving it was still really cool. You could probably find skid plates like this on eBay. They're just 3D printed, but I do think it makes it look really good and also protects the body. If you're new to the channel, make sure you check out some more of my videos and be sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.